it's bright. Hi, welcome back to Initial Speed. I've got some cars to move around so I can detail the Kia Soul from home. Let's go. Let's start off with a cold start. Kia Soul starting. (2011) Kia Soul. Only has 128,000 kilometers on it. A little bit of shampooing required. Let's see what the back looks like. Oh, the back's not too bad. A little bit of staining, some salt and residue. Alright, so I guess we are going to shampoo this thing. Yep, we'll shampoo this thing. What I am doing here is a little bit of silicone spray so the rubbers during the winter don't freeze to the door frame. And I will do that for all of the rubbers. Halfway in, scrubbing all the vinyl, making it all clean. Still have the other side. And then dress it a little bit. Windows. Actually, no. I'm going to, after cleaning the vinyl, I am going to scrub the roof. The headliner looks a bit dirty. I don't like that. So, scrub that. Then I'll get to dressing. And then windows. And then shampoo the fabric. So, started detailing or shampooing the headliner. You don't really realize how dirty it is until you get to this side. Oh, the camera's not going to pick it up. You can kind of see it. But look how clean that is. You should be able to see that line of dirt over the driver's head. Someone tall must have rubbed their head or smoked in here. Back there's nice and clean. There, not so much. I really wish you guys could see. Oh, there you go. See that? Versus, like, say that. So much cleaner over there. So much dirtier over here. Alright, now what do you think? A lot of the lines from, I guess, moving furniture or something rubbed on the back in a few different places. But still damp, so you may see some phantom marks. But I mean, that driver's side, I was over here showing you. So much better. Wicked. Ooh, if they had smell-o-vision. Everything's looking so clean. It has to. Otherwise, Mom will redo it. It's looking good though. Even if I have to say so myself. Looks good, smells good. Dressed all the vinyl. The mats. Looks so much better. And then she looking clean. Sorry, it was on a bit of a time crunch, so had to get that detailed so you didn't see a whole lot. But I'm thinking I've got all the equipment out. It's a nice day. Dive into the Fiero.